Burt? 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 Oh, this is no good. Burt? Burt? Can you hear me? Burt? Burt? Can you hear me? Burt? Burt? Oh, I'm gonna have to try somewhere higher. Burt? Burt? Is that you? Yes, of course it's me. Who did you think it was? Well, you all look the same to me. Well, that's nice, isn't it? I've been looking all over for you. I've come up here to get away from you. What do you want? I tried, but I couldn't make contact. I'm no good with this squawk-free communication. How does it work again? Well, it's like Wi-Fi. What's Wi-Fi? Is it like our sat-nav? No, sat-nav is like sat-nav. Wi-Fi is like squawk-free communication. What did you want anyway? Well, it's this hostile environment created by the local council, putting up signs accusing us of being aggressive. I'm not aggressive. I blame the migrants. Migrants? Do you mean the holidaymakers? Yes, the holidaymakers. Coming here, eating all our fish. There's plenty more fish in the sea. Eat raw fish? How disgusting. Anyway, I've got somewhere more seagull friendly to go to. Birmingham. Birmingham? Yes, Birmingham. Haven't you heard? Their bin men are on strike again. It's an open buffet all day, every day. That's the life for me. I'm off. I'll see you in a few months.